guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be tackling the upstairs, mainly in the kids' bedrooms. So this is technically the kids' last full day of school. Tomorrow they will have just a half day and then they will be out for summer break, which by the way I am looking forward to that. I am tired of waking up early in the morning and making lunches. I just need a break. But I wanted to make sure on this last day that I got some things done while they're not here. So I'm taking full advantage of that. So I wanted to dust Destiny's bedroom, vacuum, and then shampoo her carpet. Now, luckily, she has been doing such a great job with keeping on top of her room. I don't have to make her bed. She makes her bed every single day without me having to tell her. So I'm so proud of her. But that's the only thing I had to do in here. And then in the boys' room, I actually just have to vacuum and shampoo the carpet because they also have been cleaning their own rooms and they have been actually doing a pretty good job about that. So they make my life a lot easier.
Soul is on fire. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. We're in this crazy, hazy land. Let's get away from this bar. Baby, take my hand. We don't have to walk that far to get to my home place. I wanna show you something more. Let's reach out for a place where we've never been before. Don't need to hesitate, 'cause it's getting late. The night is warm and sweet. We're soaking from the heat. Let's go, just you and me. We can set us free tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer?
Guys, I have a vlogging channel, just in case you did not know. The link to that channel will be down in my description box. That is actually where I spend most of my time is on my vlogging channel. I love it so much. I enjoy filming my family. I love sharing recipes with you all. I love showing the shopping hauls, taking you guys along with me when I run errands. I just love filming over there. So if you have not subscribed to my vlogging channel, the link to my vlogging channel will be down in my description box. I have showed this vacuum cleaner millions of times, this shampooer, and it does such a great job. And the best part is the fact that it's not that expensive. So you can find it on Amazon for $99, I think, but it's $10 cheaper at Walmart. So if you're looking for a economical shampoo cleaner but also does a great job, I definitely recommend this one.
So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Ooh, susceptible night, before the moment flies. It's not a problem, no, 'cause I know what I'm getting into. Yes. Yeah. Nothing can stop me, no, 'cause I'm addicted to what you and I realize. Lead the way, I follow, no need to say where we are heading now, babe. I follow to the edge of it all. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Yeah, susceptible night, before the moment flies, before it flies. So tell you good night, 'cause I'll buy no matter what. Susceptible night, before the moment flies. Oh no, I gave my heart away, went a bit too far, so wrong. Oh no, open up my soul, but babe, how could I know you're cold? Shame on you, should have seen what you were like, dangerously nice. You got me all lost, so blinded. You got me all lost, listen to my heart. I gotta be lost the speed of light, we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah, we can go so far, so far away.
It has actually been a year since I shampooed the kids' carpets upstairs. Now, I don't allow food upstairs. My kids don't wear shoes upstairs, but the carpet tends to still get dirty. I think it's mainly dust and hair and stuff like that because, I mean, they don't wear shoes upstairs or anything, so I don't understand why the carpet was dirty, but it still was anyway. But I find shampooing the carpets so satisfying.
To an unknown destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light, we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
Now it's time to clean my kids' bathroom, and of course I wanted to make sure I tackle this before they are home with me. But right here I will be spraying my shower down with my DIY shower cleaner, which is like 2 cups of vinegar, and I make sure to warm that up in the microwave. And then I use like 3/4 cup of Dawn dish soap. So when I warm up the vinegar, it helps the Dawn dish soap dissolve in there. And you can add essential oils in there if you like, but that to me it has been the best shower cleaner that I've ever tried. Plus it's with stuff that you already have in your home.
Dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all.
I always get asked what I have in my brown spray bottles, and I get my brown spray bottles from Amazon. It's glass, and I get them dark brown because when you add essential oils supposed to only be in dark bottles. You cannot have essential oils in clear bottles because any benefit that comes with the essential oil dies pretty much. So right here I have my DIY vinegar cleaner, which is rubbing alcohol, vinegar, and essential oils with Dawn dish soap. And the recipe to that DIY cleaner is down in my description box. I had already sprayed down the toilet with Microban, and I just let it sit there so that I could just kill bacteria, which I love using this cleaner, but it makes me sneeze really bad and my throat burn every single time.
I had lost my groove, no one there to hold me. Just what I wanted, just what I needed. You saw me through. I was on a slow train headed for a heartbreak.
thing I needed to do was add the kids' towels and wash rags into the washing machine. So whenever I wash it, I always use the Lysol laundry sanitizer, some OxyClean powder, and then I use vinegar as a fabric softener. It does an amazing job. It also kills the smell of towels. Y'all know how those towels can smell really bad. And it also makes them nice and fluffy. And no, you do not smell the smell of vinegar. That's even better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.